Warning, the following stunts were performed by professionals. Do not try this at home.
What's good, YouTube? Stino back at y'all. Stino rear-wheel drive back at y'all with another video. Back to backer. And today's video is going to be a 5 things I love about my G37. Let's get right into it. Like, comment, sub, share to a friend, share to your grandmother, share to your mother, your father, your uncle, share to your little niece. So send the video out. You feel me? That's what I want y'all to do. Y'all see her in the background looking real good, but let me go ahead and get started. I got a list on my phone, so go ahead and pull that up. The first thing I love about my G37 is, of course, the look. Now, with the look, of course, I added things to make it look good. They don't come like this stock. I hope y'all can hear me over this highway right here, but they don't come like this stock. And so, with the look, I'm going to go into detail with it. Even though it's a 5 things, I'm going to tell y'all more than 5 things for it because I don't really care. So, look, 1, GTR headlights. These headlights are a must. They are a must. I'm trying to tell y'all, you get these, the whole front end is going to look crazy. It's going to look so aggressive. It's going to look crazy. That's a must. Now, along with the look, as y'all see, my G, it's not, I don't really do too much to it, and she still look good. Like, I'm on stock suspension. I'm on stock rims. I just did a lot of cosmetics, and she still look good. Number 2 is the muffler delete sound. Even without the muffler delete, they still sound really, really, really good. As y'all see, I got the quad tips on there with the Q50 diffuser. So I'm gonna give you all a couple revs right now. With the quad tips, with the muffler delete, the combo, it really sounds like a baby GTR. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Some people say no, it don't. Some people say it sounds like a trumpet. It sounds like a trumpet once you do a straight pipe on here. I do not recommend a straight pipe. Please do not. Whatever you do not get a straight pipe on your VQ. Get a full exhaust or something else, because it's gonna sound too raspy. It's gonna be it's not gonna be. At least that's my opinion. People do what they want to do, but that's my opinion. So let me go ahead and show y'all some revs. Sound pretty solid. Number 3 on the list is, there's so many mods that you can do to this car. When I first bought this car, I knew that, like, I'm gonna always be upgrading the car because there's always something that I need to do. There's really always something. Like you cannot get bored with modding the car. Like I said, I don't have springs, I don't have coilovers, wheels, I don't have long tube intakes, I don't have a lot of things. I don't have GTR halo tail lights. What else? What I'm thinking about. I don't got paddles. This is the non-sport version, so I don't have no paddles. I can add paddles if I wanted to. I actually might do that soon. I've been looking to do that. I don't have a lot of things, and I can still upgrade. I can get the mesh grill, had a long tube intake showing right there. I can get the sport bumper. As y'all see, I kind of like my bumper more than the sport bumper. It's different. I don't see people with this at all. But the hat, yes sir. I don't see that. I'm call it. But shit, I don't have a lot of things. I'm still modding my car. I'm still doing a lot to my car. And I had the car for 2 years now. So that just goes to show how many things that you can do. Someone that's not a car guy, or that's a little bit into cars, can see my car and be like, damn, he did a lot. Really? I really didn't do a lot, honestly. I feel like I did a good amount, but not a lot. Still a lot more to go. The number two, it's the number two. The number four is the interior. The interior of this car for a 2010 is nice. I mean, of course, the ambient lighting that didn't come with it. That's also a plus. But the interior is just nice. The steering wheel, and obviously it's a cover, but it's just nice. Got the full leather seats. My back seat a little messy, y'all. Don't mind that. Full leather seats, sunroof. For 2010, got the push to start. Now, a lot of 2010 vehicles do not come with stuff like this, but you know, I did my own little attachments, and I added the Infiniti light, added the full carbon. I see the carbon on the inside, carbon on the back seats. It's full carbon everywhere. Red carbon right here, red carbon right there. So the interior is a plus. I can sit in this car for hours and not get bored. It's not basic. It don't look like no American 2010 V6 Camaro or Mustang, or, you feel me, none of that. It still gives that luxurious feeling. Now, last on the list will be the speed. A lot of people be hating on these cars, not gonna lie. A lot of people hate on Vqs, but the speed of this car, I'm not saying this car is the fastest in the world. I'm not saying I'm gonna be on a highway and be smoking Hellcats. I'm not saying I'm smoking B58s, but for how much this car costs, you get, well, what's the saying? You get the best bang for your buck. That's the saying. I'm literally like, a lot of cars try to fuck with me on the road, and it doesn't work. Doesn't work. I can mention a lot of cars that I done beat. I done beat a stock S4. I done beat a stock 335i, 328i, of course, 330i, the newer versions, V6 Camaros, V6 Challengers, V6 Mustangs. I done beat a whole lot of things. And with a tune, of course, I'm actually thinking about tuning her. I don't know when, but might be upcoming. Very, very much considering it. But this car is beating a lot of cars on the road. A lot of people like to say regular traffic. I don't care if you think this car is regular traffic. You feel me? That's cool. But of course, if you don't know, after you tune these, you're keeping up, or you're beating V8s, you're beating Scat Packs, you're beating 5.0s. You have a lot of potential to beat a lot of other cars. But the way she comes stock, just fine for me with the speed. No bad one. But thank y'all for tuning into the YouTube video. I hope y'all enjoyed this. I don't know why she's looking at me, y'all, but I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I might make a part 2 of 5 things I love, because there's just so much more. This list was very tight. This was very, very tight. Cool bonus one. I get so many turns, like head looks, and it's just an Infiniti. People turn their heads all the time, just looking at it, just, I guess, admiring the car. I be in the car, people shaking their heads. I got clips of people just staring at the car. But yeah, that goes along with the looks. So, like I said, YouTube, video's over. I'ma holler at y'all another day. And yeah.